Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in again. I know I don't usually do cooking videos, but today I just thought that let me just drop a cooking video for you guys, as I know my way around in the kitchen, show you guys a little something. So as you guys can see on the video, or as you saw by the title of the video or the thumbnail, on today's video I'm basically going to be making some fried chicken fillets with baby potatoes and a dipping sauce. Nothing major, just a simple nice meal that you can make for your family or for your partner or for your friends. Nothing major, so I'm not gonna be talking throughout the video. I just hope that you guys enjoy the content. I hope maybe you can learn one or two things. Maybe you guys might want to copy the ingredients and recreate the meal. So yeah, that's just about it. I hope you guys enjoy the content. I hope you enjoy the video and make it through until the end of the video and see how I did. So yeah.